everyone. Today we are out here with the Potensic A30W. It's a real beauty. I got to thank them for sending this out. So we're going to get it out of the box and check it out. Let's do it. And here you go. You get the quadcopter with a 3.7500 battery. You get the manual, the bag of stuff, the phone holder, the USB charger, the transmitter, which takes 4 AA batteries, I believe it does, and there they are. Now this unit has a little bit of an odd way to do the calibration. You just use the one button here on the down and out. You don't use both of them like you do a normal standard, industry standard. And they also give you a nice manual. But this one's just down and out with the right one. So it's pretty odd, but you know, it is what it is. Nothing we can't deal with. Here's the phone holder. There's a nice spring. You could fit a nice size phone in there, I believe, which we're going to try my iPhone 8 Plus. Looks like it'll fit in there no problem. Yes, it fits in there no problem. So it'll even fit a bigger phone than that in there, actually. Wow. You could, wow. Yeah, you could get even a way bigger phone than this in here. So that's pretty nice. A nice design on that thing. Plus it holds it pretty securely too, so that's pretty nice. On here is the photo and video, headless mode, takeoff and land. And there's a rate button that's probably pushing in these little buttons here because I can hear them clicking. But let's turn it on and fire it up and grab the Wi-Fi, and there's an on and off switch right there too. Okay, then we'll calibrate it. The Wi-Fi is UDIRC Wi-Fi, so UDIRC, maybe they manufactured this for them. I'm not sure. Here's the app. It's just called Potensic. It start. Okay, look at that. It's showing the video. So let's record some video. Let me get those permissions out of the way. Okay, let's get some video going. Yay! We'll calibrate it one more time. It says 100% battery on the quadcopter. Well, let's take off and see what happens. That's always a plus. Okay, this is the rate button here. We got the video still going. It's in the 3rd rate right now. Flies nice so far. Got a nice pitch on it. Oh yeah, nice flyer. Flies like that F31G I had. so far I haven't lost the bind and there hasn't been any lag. Now I don't know about the video, but there's no lag in the controls. That's for sure. Okay, let me bring it back here for a minute. And we'll take it up a little bit and hold it still. See if we can see what the video looks like if it's being held still. I'm looking into the sun, of course. We'll take it up a little bit here. It's drifting around a little bit. I think there's a little bit of a breeze up there. Oh, that bird almost got me. He was coming for the Potensic. Did you see that thing? It looked like a big crow. Went right past it. I'll see if I got that on the video, I'll swell it up. Yeah, there's a little bit of a breeze up there at the top of the tree, so I'm not able to hold it too still, but I'm not losing the bind at all, so that's good. Up. There goes the battery alarm. So the flight time isn't that good. I'll cut the video. So the battery life isn't that good. We know that. All right, I cut the video anyway, so that'll be okay. Oh, shut up. I don't know. I didn't get to see what the flight time was, but it came down at like 15% is when it starts to come down, so. Oh, well. Battery life isn't that good on this, I can tell you that right now, because that didn't seem like it even went 5 minutes. But that could be me. Maybe it went more. We'll see when I edit the video up. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.